What's the meaning of accumulator? Accumulator. 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 An accumulator is a register in a computer's central processing unit, CPU, that is used to store intermediate results of arithmetic and logic operations. It is a temporary storage location for data that is being processed. The accumulator is typically a small, fast register that can be accessed quickly by the CPU. This makes it ideal for storing intermediate results of calculations. The accumulator is also used to store the results of calculations before they are stored in memory or displayed on a screen.